Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve ibdata1 XAMPP PHP MySQL. I have the same error earlier on and found out how to resolve it. So you launch, after downloading, you launch your XAMPP, and when you start Apache, after that starts your MySQL, it's gonna show you an error there. It's gonna give you this error here. So what we do is we come to logs, right click, and we go to browser, and the solution here is that you delete everything there. So you delete everything there. We go to MySQL there, double click on it, come to backup. Now we need to back this up. So we back up, we copy everything that is in the backup, we take them back to our data, which is empty. Put everything back there. That's all you need to do. Done. Now when you come back to when you come back here, we should have stopped Apache there before. So when you start, make sure that Apache is stopped as well. Now restart your Apache. It's giving us port 8. That's what we need. We go to MySQL there, and we start MySQL, and there we go. You can see that the error has been resolved. So it's giving us 336 port. Now we go. I like to go on the Firefox. So go on your browser. I like to go on Firefox for me. Gives me what I want. And then we localhost PHP my admin there. Enter. Voila, there we are. Yeah, we can start. We can